Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the early evolution of mammals. Now, as you are aware that mammals are one of the advanced animal which have been developed as a course of evolution. Now, there are more than 5,200 species of mammal that exist on this planet Earth. Now, when we talk about the evolution and origin of mammals, as per the fossils record, it falls into three distinct phases or three distinct eras. The first one is the Pennsylvanian or Upper Carboniferous era, which is about 305 million years ago. The first lineage of mammal was started according to the fossil record in that era, which was present 305 million years ago. Now, when we talk about the best fossil record or the example of the mammal which were evolved at that time, the best example is Archaeopteryx. The fossils record of Archaeopteryx is uniquely preserved and tells us that 3.305 million years ago, the mammals they started to appear in the record of the fossil. Now, these mammals they split from the mammals like reptile later on in 210 million years ago, and that era is called as Mesozoic or late Triassic era. At that time, the mammals they separated from the reptilian like mammals, and then they started diversifying, and it evolved into many dead-end lineages and short-lived clades, and there were also many ecological specialization which leads to some of the living mammals which we can see. Um, Most of them we can see at the present time. Now, uh, in the last, when we talk about the different differentiation and diversifications, now we can see that these mammals have extreme morphological diversity. They are as small as bumblebee bat, whose scientific name is Crassionycteris tonglongye, which is about 2 gram in size, uh, in weight, and as large as blue whale, which scientific name is Balaenoptera musculus, and it weighs as um, more as 154,000 kilograms. So it's a huge amount of weight as compared to the smallest mammal, which is bumblebee bat. Now, in the end, when most of the reptiles they become extinct, the mammals got the opportunity, so they expanded themselves and they uh, occupied different ecological eras um, through their adaptive radiations, and these new habitats were occupied by the mammals. It provided them the source of food, the protection from the predators. So we see a large diversification of mammals after that. Now, the last era is the early Cenozoic era, which is more than 55 million years ago. The numerous variety of mammals they were evolved. At that time, uh, the mammals they widely distributed and they adapted to almost all different ecological lifestyles, and they become one of the most successful animals in all different formats or different ecological niche.